Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our topical weather analysis for this Friday through Monday, October 2 to 5, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. We have some weather systems affecting the Philippine Islands. First, we are going to mention this troughing in between the two wind systems known as a Monsoon Trough, and it's bringing some cloudy conditions with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across most parts of Luzon, some parts of Mimaropa, Visayas, northern and western Mindanao. So expect some partly to mostly cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Here across Palawan and the Calayan Island group, we have the southwesterly surface wind flow, or southwesterlies. In Tagalog, we call this as the wake habagat, bringing some breezy conditions, sunny to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across Palawan and the Calayan Island group. While up north, we have another wind system. This is the precursor of the amihan, known as the northeasterly surface wind flow, or the northeasterlies. It's called as the, you can also say it as the weak amihan, affecting extreme northern parts of Luzon, bringing some breezy conditions across the Batanes and Babuing Group of Islands and the coastal areas of extreme northern Luzon. So expect some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening across these areas. Outside of Pau, we are keeping an eye on this barely moving low pressure area, which has given an ID 90W, but it still have a low chance, or less than 35% chances of becoming a tropical depression within the next 24 hours. But next week, this system might visit Taiwan or to the northern part of the Batanes. So we are going to keep an eye on this LPA. And so far, that's the latest from our GovSat. As we look at our fast animation, there you go, the developing LPA right here to the northwest of Guam, or northwest of Northern Mariana Islands. So the LPA is somewhere here currently organizing, and while some localized thunderstorms can be observed across most parts of the Philippine Islands, particularly at this time of the evening, we can observe some thunderstorms in the vicinity of Central Luzon. As you can take a look at our windy.com zoom in satellite animation, you can clearly see here most parts of Central Luzon is under the influence of a multi-cell thunderstorms, bringing some lightning and thunder, as well as rain over these areas, while some portions of western Panay as well as Mindanao will also witness some thunderstorm activity as of now. And as we look at our 3-day rain and wind forecast from windy.com, this is the ECMWF model. By tomorrow afternoon, there will be still some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across Mindanao, Mimaropa, portions of the Bicol region, portions of central and northern Luzon, although the southern portions of northern Luzon, including Metro Manila and Visayas. And on Sunday, still the same weather conditions. Some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected. And also on Monday, which will be more, or expected to be more concentrated here along northern Mindanao and portions of central Visayas, as well as the eastern portions. Bicol region will have some low to moderate chances of thunderstorms, as well as Palawan. And so far, that's the latest from our weather TV update of Typhoon 2000. And we will be returning again on Monday to give you more updates on the weather. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Happy weekend to all. Be #WeatherWiser. Be #TyphoonWiser. And thank you for watching our YouTube. And thank you for watching my YouTube channel.